So we will be teaching you how to add a block quote and a divider to your Weebly. So the first thing you'd want to do is log in with your username and password. You do not want to use your email address for this. After you have logged in, you want to go to the website section. And after that, you click edit the site. And once it's done loading, it's going to take you to your home page. And after it takes you to your home page, you first have to click the plus button and then scroll down to find the block quote. And then you hold it and you drag it down and then drop it where you want it to go. And now you can type in anything you like, your favorite quotes.
So once you're done with that, then you press the plus button to add a divider, and you press down and hold, and you put the divider wherever you want it to go. If you want to make your Weebly even more organized, you can just add more dividers by clicking the plus button and dragging your divider to where you want it. And then if you also want to change the width of the divider, you can choose which width you want to make it smaller. There's all of these here, and you just click on which one you want, and that'll make the divider smaller. Then you're just going to click preview in the top right and then click publish, and then this will save everything that you've done and it will publish your site.